Hello there everybody, in this video I'm going to show you exactly what you'll get when you purchase the Groommee IPL hair removal home device. As you can see, it comes in nice and professional packaging, and inside of the box you get everything you would need to get it up and running. This includes a nice and easy to read user manual, you get your power adapter, and of course you get your Groommee IPL hair removal device. As you can see, it has a really nice design, and this provides a fast, discreet, and affordable way for both men and women to remove hair from the face and body without waxing. It's also a great alternative to shaving and expensive medical laser treatments. It is very simple to use in the convenience of your own home. You simply plug it in and you're ready to go. It has 5 different energy levels for your comfort, and it works by intense pulsed light, which is scientifically proven not only to remove hair, but it will also improve the appearance of your skin by adding collagen. So I think you guys get the picture. This is an awesome way to remove hair with virtually no side effects or pain. Stay at home and groom with Groommee.